In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams 2025. Whether you're trying to clean up your chat list or simply remove old conversation threads, I'll guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward way. It's important to note right from the start that while individual users can manage their chat visibility, deleting entire chat histories, especially on work or school accounts, might be limited. But fear not, as I'll make sure to steer you in the right direction. First, let's jump into the Microsoft Teams interface. If you're not there already, go ahead and open up the Teams application either through the desktop client or web version by navigating to the Microsoft Teams interface. Once you're logged in, locate the Chat tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the conversations you've been part of. Now, take a moment to scan the list of chats and find the specific conversation you want to delete. As you scroll through, make sure it's the correct one because once you proceed, there's no going back. If you're dealing with a lot of conversations, utilizing the search bar at the top can help narrow it down quickly. Once you've identified the chat you want to remove, it's time to take action. To the right of the chat name, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those dots. Doing so will open a drop-down menu that contains several options related to managing your chat. You should see an option labeled Delete, so go ahead and click on that. Now, before you get too far, there's an important caveat to keep in mind. If you're using a work or school Microsoft Teams account, the functionality might be different from personal accounts. Organizations often have specific settings and restrictions, including the ability to delete entire chats. Instead of permanently erasing them, you might only have the option to hide chats, meaning they're out of sight, but not completely gone. Additionally, remember that deleting a chat from your side doesn't remove it from other participants' accounts, nor does it delete any files that were shared. Those will still be accessible to others who have access. Take these limitations into consideration as you manage your chats, and make sure you're doing so within the guidelines set by your organization if applicable. However, for personal accounts, this should typically proceed without a hitch. And there you have it, a quick and detailed guide on how to delete chats in Microsoft Teams 2025. Armed with this knowledge, managing your team's chat history becomes a breeze. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.